Hello and good morning, all of you. It's quarter past 10 in the morning right now, and we have already completed up till question number 26 of AIBE 18, and we will continue from question number 27. Let's see what question number 27 says. Which of the following is incorrect with respect to arbitration agreement as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? The right answer gonna be of question number 26. Wait, we were on question number 27. Yeah. The right answer is option number A, that is arbitration agreement may be written as well as oral. So here we have to tell which one is incorrect. Okay, so option A is the right option. Apart from that, arbitration agreement may be in the form of a separate agreement. Arbitration agreement may be in the form of an arbitration clause in a contract. Arbitration agreement may be for all or certain disputes which may arise between the parties. The wrong thing is the arbitration agreement may be written as well as oral. It can't be in oral, so it should be in written. That's why the this is the incorrect option. The next question is question number 28. In which of the following circumstances an arbitrator may not be challenged as per the Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996? The right option is option B, that is when a justifiable doubt as to his impartiality arises. Means the person was the arbitrator was uh, not neutral. Somewhere he was biased. In that case, uh, in which of the an arbitrator may not be challenged as per the arbitration conciliation when a justifiable doubt as to his impartiality arises. To his independence. Its right option is option B, but the reason is we can't challenge his decision saying that he was not justified. The reason was not justified, and he was somewhere biased. So on that ground. Question number 29. When may two persons be said to be related to each other by half blood in accordance with the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? The right option is option B, that is when they are descended from a common ancestor by different wives. So फादर एक है और मदर दो है और उनके बच्चे हैं, तो वो हाफ ब्लड में ही आएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 30. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज जनरली नॉट considered considered as a valid condition for a Hindu marriage as per the Hindu Marriage Act 1955? Its right option is option B. The parties should be within the degrees of prohibited relationship. Which of the following is generally not considered as a valid condition for a Hindu marriage? The parties should be within the degrees of prohibited relationship. ओके, तो रिलेशनशिप भी अगर प्रोहिबिटेड है तो उसको कैसे वैलिड कंडीशन कैसे मान लिया जाएगा हिंदू मैरिज में शादी करने के लिए, है ना? रिलेशनशिप ही अगर प्रोहिबिटेड है, बाधित है, तो नहीं किया जा सकता. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. Section 13, subsection 1 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 provided for the following. Its right option gonna be first point is ground for restitution of conjugal rights, second ground for judicial separation, third ground for divorce. The option is ground for divorce. Only third. Next question is question number 32. What is the meaning of a batil or batil marriage in Muslim law? Basically, it is a void marriage. Okay, so the void marriage called batil marriage in Muslim law. Question number 33. What is a contract of marriage which may be dissolved by the wife under a power delegated to her called under the Muslim law? Its right option is option C, that is talaq-e tafweez. Talaq, talaq-e tafweez, which is a contract of marriage which may be dissolved by wife under a power delegated to her called the Muslim law talaq-e tafweez. Question number 34. A Hindu boy and a Hindu girl may be married under the following law. Under the point we have the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, and as well as point number second is the Special Marriage Act 1954. The category is a Hindu boy and a Hindu girl may be married under which law? So first तो obviously है the Hindu Marriage Act. Second भी आ जाएगा क्योंकि in case जो इंटरकास्ट मैरिज होती है वो हिंदू मैरिज में तो कवर होता ही है, लेकिन स्पेशल मैरिज में भी वो आ जाएगा. सो बोथ द ऑप्शन इज सी, बोथ फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड आर करेक्ट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 35. थ्रू विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग अमेंडमेंट एक्ट द राइट्स इन द co-partnership property is made available to a girl child as well? Its right option is option C, the Hindu Succession Amendment Act 2005. So 2005 में आया कि जो लड़की है उनको भी संपत्ति मिलेगी. एंसेस्ट्रल प्रॉपर्टी जो आ रही है उसकी बात हो रही है. प्राइवेट सेपरेट सेपरेट प्रॉपर्टी जो परचेज किया उसकी नहीं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 36. What should be the age of difference between the adoptive father and his adopted daughter for a valid adoption? The right option is option C, that is 21 year. 21 year. Question number 37. Which of the following case may be considered as the first report case of PIL in India? First reported case as of PIL in India. The right answer is option C, that is MC Mehta versus Union of India. So MC Mehta versus Union of India was the first case in India, the case uh, with the nature of PIL that was in the interest of public. Question number 38. Who among the following is considered as the father of PIL in India? Justice P.N. Bhagwati. The right option is option C, Justice P.N. Bhagwati. Question number 39. Against which of the following a PIL cannot be filed? Against a state property, against a central government, against a state government, against a central government, or against a Muslim government, or against a private party. So the right answer is option C. We can't file a PIL against a private party. क्योंकि वो फिर सिविल नेचर का हो जाएगा. Question number 40. In the light of the guidelines issued by the Supreme Court of India, on which of the following issue a PIL cannot be entertained by the court? The right option is option B, petition from jail for premature release. ओके सो ये जो है पीआईएल में फॉलो ये नहीं आएगा. बॉन्डेड लेबर मैटर जो है वो पीआईएल में आ जाएगा. मैटर pertaining टू नेग्लेक्टेड चिल्ड्रन आ जाएगा. petition against police for refusing to register a case PIL में आ जाएगा. बट petition for from jail for premature release की आप जो है आप जेल में हैं और रिलीज आपको कर दिया जाए समय से पहले ही, उसकी एप्लीकेशन उसकी petition जो है वो PIL में नहीं आएगी क्योंकि उसमें आपका इंटरेस्ट है, पब्लिक का नहीं है. And PIL is totally based on public interest. Question number 41. In which of the following landmark case it was held that principles of natural justice were applicable not only to judicial and quasi-judicial function but also to administrative functions? The right option is option A, that is AK Cry Park versus Union of India. In which of the following landmark case it was held that principles of natural justice were applicable not only to judicial and quasi-judicial function but also to administrative function? In AK Cry Park versus Union of India. Question number 42. In which of the following judgment the Supreme Court had comprehensively reconsidered Sampath, SP Sampath versus Union of India case? The right option is option B, that is L. Chandra Kumar versus Union of India. Question number 43. Who among the following defined administrative law as the law relating to the control of governmental power? Its right option is option B, that is Wade. The law relating to the control of governmental power. Defining administrative law, the law relating to the control of governmental power, said by or defined by Wade. Question number 44. What penalty is prescribed for person illegally practicing in court under the Advocate Act 1961? The right option is option B, that is imprisonment up to 6 months. Now what this question is saying कि आपका जो as an advocate your license has been revoked and still you are practicing, then in that case you may be uh, imprisoned up to 6 months. Question number 45. Which provision of the Advocate Act 1961 empowers the Bar Council of India to prescribe the standard of professional conduct and etiquette to be observed by advocates? The right option is option D, that is section 49. Question number 46. Which of the following is incorrect according to the Bar Council of India rules? An advocate can plead in any matter in which he is himself पेक्यूनरली इंटरेस्टेड. तो यही गलत है क्योंकि तो सो इसमें इन बताना इनकरेक्ट है. सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए. Why it is incorrect? Because an advocate can't take that case in which he has his own benefit. Okay, so that's why. Question number 47. Which of the following authority acts as an appellate authority against the order made by the disciplinary committee of the Bar Council of India? Its right option is option D, that is Supreme Court of India. Which of the following authority act as an appellate authority against the order made by the disciplinary committee of Bar Council of India? So basically, first of all, uh, your report will be given by the uh, state bar council. Then इसको आप चैलेंज करते हैं, इनके रिपोर्ट को अगर चैलेंज करते हैं, देन बी इट विल गो टू BCI, दैट इज बार काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया. और फिर इनके भी रिपोर्ट से आप सहमत नहीं है और इसको भी चैलेंज करते हैं, देन इट विल गो टू सुप्रीम कोर्ट. तो ये होगी क्रोनोलॉजी. Question number 48. In which of the following situations a person company, uh, a one person company will mandatorily get converted into either private or public company? 25 lakh. In case the paid up share capital of an one person company exceed 25 lakh, 25 lakh, 15 lakh, 75 lakh और 1 करोड़. द राइट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी. अगर 15 लाख से ऊपर अगर आपका शेयर कैपिटल जाता है 1% कंपनी में, तो उसको कन्वर्ट करवाना पड़ेगा, चाहे आप प्राइवेट में करवाएं या पब्लिक में करवाएं. ओके, सो द राइट ऑप्शन इज 50 lakh. up above 50 lakh, not 15, above 50 lakh. Question number 49. What is the minimum number of directors required for a public company as per the Companies Act 2013? The right option is option B, that is three. At least three directors should be there in a public company. Question number 15. Which of the following cases the Supreme Court of India had explained the precautionary principle in detail? The right option is option A, that is Willard Citizens Welfare Forum versus Union of India. So the right answer is option A, that is Willard Citizen Welfare Forum versus Union of India. And we should close this video till here only, and we will continue the next video. We will start solving the left question in our next video. Till then, have a good time. Thank you.